We're going to take a look at Chapter 2.3 and numeration systems. We're going to look at numbers and the systems we use today and other systems. So the first system we use is called Hindu Arabic. It's our base 10 system. It's our system that we know: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And so you can see we have an example of a number: 6,523 is in base 10, or again, formerly known as the Hindu Arabic system. And our system is what we call, has a place value, where each of the various places in the numeral, right, have its own value. So its location determines the value of the numeral, right? And so the 5 means not 5, but 500. Our Hindu Arabic system is also what we call additive and multiplicative, because you can see as we add the values together, multiply this by its place value, and then add them together. That leads us to this idea in our system, which is called the decimal system, grouped by 10, right? You see the root word deci, and these are the digits we use. And so these are the digits we use, right? These are the symbols we use to represent our numbers. And so expanded form, right, really shows us what the value of 83,507 is. And each location has a specific amount, right, a value associated with. The 8 means 8 10,000s, 3,000s, 500s, 0 10s, 7 1s. And so if you had to practice this and we were going to write out these in expanded form on these examples here, the 437 really means 4 groups of 100 plus 3 groups of 10 plus 7 groups of 1. So there's, again, a language being spoken to us when we see a number. It's a shortcut notation, right? And then this one here, 3,000, is 3 thousands, 0 100s, 0 10s, and then 1 1. And so we have those two expanded forms for our numbers in our place value system, which again is the Hindu Arabic or the decimal system, or we say in base 10. We use the word base 10. You can see those place values are powers of 10. 10 to the power of 0 is 1, 10 to the power of 1 is 10, 10 squared is 100, and so forth. So that's where those values come from, and that's why we call it base 10. Another thing that we're going to learn is that each of these numerals, right, or these numbers, have a name or word associated with. There's a one-to-one correspondence, right? Let's erase that there. One-to-one correspondence here, where you're looking at the word 0 means this symbol, 11 means this symbol, 21 means this symbol here, 2 10s plus 1, right? And so there's a one-to-one correspondence to the concept of a number or some quantity, its name, and then the symbol. So you have that relationship. So when a child says 3, they understand we're talking what that means, right? And so that's our number system.